Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change RGB on your HyperX QuadCast 2 in 2026. So first of all, it can be done via the Angenvity software. So you can download and install it from the Microsoft Store. After the installation, simply plug your microphone into your PC using the USB cable. Now wait for it to appear in the Angenvity dashboard. Now, if it doesn't show up here, you need to reconnect the cable or restart the application. Now, when you're able to find your Codecast 2 inside Angenvity, you just have to look for the option of Lightning and the RGB section. This is where you will be able to customize various types of things. So over here, you can select the preferred lighting setup. Just choose the static color for a clean look. Make sure that you use breathing and wave effects for dynamic light. Also adjust the brightness and the speed for better visuals. Make sure that after the adjustments, you apply the changes to see them instantly. Save your settings so that it remain active even after restarting. You can also create different profiles for different setups, and that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.